If you're watching this, it means there is something you would like to change. Maybe you want to get better at something, achieve a long-term goal, or even just change the way you feel. At Madefor, lasting change starts with the brain. Turns out, after 25 years old, there are only two ways to change the brain, or what scientists call neuroplasticity. One way is dramatic, a short, intense experience, like a car accident or the birth of a child. The other way is through small, consistent effort, repeated over time. This is the Madefor Method. Each month at Madefor, you'll focus on one foundational practice. Simple things, like how best to fuel your body, direct your breath, experience nature, or even connect with others. Your Madefor guidebooks will give you the essential science and story behind each of the 10 practices. They're designed to inspire you to get offline and into action each month with a unique 21-day challenge that can be easily incorporated into your day. How you do the challenge is just as important as the practice itself. Every time you take an action at Madefor, you'll be leveraging what our lead advisor and neuroscientist, Dr. Andrew Huberman, calls the 3 pillars of neuroplasticity: attention, reward, reinforcement. Using this approach, you will create momentum and lasting positive shifts in your brain, body, and mind as the challenges build on one another over time. Our world-class team of advisors, coaches, and experts are passionate about helping you bring out the best in yourself and the world around you. We're excited for the journey in front of you and look forward to supporting you at every step of the way. Remember, you were made for this.